Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to do a really short video and simple process of changing the mileage in a Mitsubishi car. We're going to show you the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, which is, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video and also in the comments box below as well. It's a really simple tool to use, and all the mileage correction is done via the OBD2 port. So this is the main unit here. One end of this cable is plugged into the bottom of it, the other end of this cable is plugged into the diagnostic port, which is right under there. And you may notice that we're not in a Mitsubishi at the moment. I don't have access to a Mitsubishi, but I can assure you the process I'm going to show you right now is exactly the same as a Mitsubishi. So with the tool plugged in, whoops, you can see what kind of car we're in now. It's a Porsche. Not that I'm trying to hide that, but with the tool plugged in, click on the dashboard option. You would click on Asia to get the Mitsubishi option up, but I'm going to click on Europe, because this is a European car. It's actually a Porsche, as you saw. It's a Cayenne. It's a 2013 model. So with this screen here, we've got backup and mileage. What you can do is you can back up the original file. So if you are worried about making a mistake, you can back up this mileage here, and you'll always be able to revert back to it. So that's quite a good option to have. If we click into this one here, just click into miles or kilometers, whatever's best for you. You can see I've already created the file here, so my file is 01.bin. That is my recovery file in case I make an error here, and I'll show you that soon enough. But if you're using this for the first time, you can go and create a new file just by clicking new file, and it'll take you through the process step by step. So I don't need to do that because I've already done it. So I'm going to click on backup here, get a quick error message, but that's fine. Click OK, and then it takes us into the zone where we can start changing the mileage. So on this screen, I'm just going to click the down button, and we've now got numbers to what we can change the mileage to. So you can see the mileage is 105,657, and I'm going to say, well, let's say that the clocks have been changed in this car, and the mileage should actually be 67,200. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Get input value 67,200. It's just confirming it. Click OK. Everything should probably drop off and then come back on, hopefully with a new mileage. So we now have 67,168. So it's giving us within 32 miles of where we need it to be, which is pretty good. Generally you will get within 20, 30 to 40 miles of what you requested. You could go back in and do another adjustment, just play around with the numbers a little bit to get exactly what you wanted, but in most cases I think that's generally within 20, 30 to 40 miles is going to be pretty good. So that's the really simple change there. I've done that in under 3 minutes. If you wanted to, you could go back and you could go back to your recovery file, which I'll show you now. So click on recovery, just go through the options, and then there's I've only made one recovery file, so it's 01.bin. Click on that, click OK again, communicating. It'll drop off again, and there we go, back to the original mileage of 105,657. Don't worry about these all relate to an ABS sensor fault. I'm currently waiting for a new ABS sensor to arrive. Recovery successful on screen, so it's a great tool to have if you are in the business of sort of doing your mileage corrections, or you offer diagnostics as a package, as a garage, a workshop, a mobile mechanic, just another arm to your, the services that you actually offer. But it's a really good tool. It's a really handy tool to have, and the price of this tool, you'll make money on this no problem. Or indeed, if you're just using this for your own personal use to change the mileage on your car, again, it's very great value for money. But I'll also say I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video and also in the comments box. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.